Welcome viewer.
It's COS9.
This video tutorial describes, fixed a required CD, DVD driver is missing USB Windows 7 installation error. Open any browser. Type gigabyte.us/support/utility. Search with Windows USB. Download Windows USB installation tool under your motherboard model. Open and extract downloaded file. Windows 7 bootable USB is in G drive. Open Windows Image Tool. Select All option. Select your bootable USB drive, click Start. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.